Welcome to the JBS garage. It's got the new older board up, made that a few days ago. That's going to be my tool board. That's just going to be the background of it. So you're just going to be able to see it through my tools. Still yet to sort through the tools and put them up, but they're all shit anyway. Fuck it. So yeah, this is the whole little setup at the moment. Started hanging a few tools on that bit of the wall there as well. Got the to-do list there. Nice whiteboard. That's my new camera mount that you're going to see in a minute. And there's Verno. Always got to be part of the video, ain't you, my boy? Yeah, it's almost got that under the bench. Mum's getting me a worktop for this, so that'll be good. I've just made it level for the whole way through, nice and sturdy. It's going to be even sturdier with the worktop on, but look, if I press down on it, I'm really giving that a good old go. So that's calm. And then if you come round to this side, we've got fucking storage. We don't need to store everything out here. And to be fair, saying that, I might put all the scrap metal in there, but it can stay there for now. Because, yeah, well, I might put a bin under there. I've got a spare one of them baskets up there, look. So yeah, I've got this side as well now. The electrics I'm going to put outside as soon as the roof is sealed. But for now, I've had to put them in here. I made this window myself and everything. You can kind of see the old window. I just beat through and it's there. It was an actual window, but it had no glass and the frame was rotted out. So literally the whole frame kicked out to just concrete. There is ventilation in here, by the way, because I've thought of that. And you've got the old Alexa up here for when you want to listen to music. And yeah. Also, big box of NRG parts. If they're not sold by the time like this video goes up, please just come take them for a tenner. There's so many parts in there. There's like brand new piston rings. There's a whole wiring loom. There's a starter motor. There's a whole gearbox in there of parts. Like you got the belt. You got the fucking pulley there. One of them. You got the other half of the variator there. You got all the rollers in there. You got some relays. You got everything in there. Just come and take it off my hands. You got the clutch and that at the top. And yeah. And then you got the old baseball bat. No, not baseball bat. Fucking hell. You got the old cricket bat to beat Verno up with, haven't we? Isn't it, Verno? Don't know what the fuck he's doing. Yeah, sick. Nice little setup going on now, isn't it? And then of course you got the old finish reveal. The tyre's not beaded yet. Don't get your hopes up. And got the old sim over there. Got to discuss a few ideas of the sim. Have you guys in over there? Yeah, I'm gonna put you in that mount now, and we're just gonna test out, see what the footage is like. I've tried using it, it wouldn't work dangling down. I've tried having it up, but it's just two tools, so I'm going to have to take it off up there. It's only a clip anyway. I'm going to have to find somewhere a bit lower down to put it, maybe just clip it onto the back wall there or something. Yeah, just experiment for a minute, see where it can go. Alright, I've just put it up there, and yeah, it seems like it's sticking right out into the middle, but bear in mind that thing's still flexible. So, what I'm going to do is I'm going to bend it in against the wall, I reckon. Actually, I'll just do it live. Bend it in. Kind of thing, so you can get sharp angles on this thing. Although what I might do, if it is a good position, I'll end up just drilling a hole and screwing it in so it can't move. That bit there, so it's stable, so I can just bend it easily. And then I can just kind of bend that back out. And anyway, I'll just film again in a second when it's done. We'll see what it's like. So ignore how greasy my hair is. I've literally been working on this all day, but that seems like a pretty good camera position to me. It's a little bit high up right now, and that's because that's about to fall off that mount up there. So it's perfect, basically. I'm going to screw it in and then I'll show you probably when it's screwed in. So that's that on. That's sturdy because as strong as the wall is. Bear in mind, those are flimsy by the way, because those aren't designed to bear load at all. This is. That's strong. These are they're just for decoration basically. That's just going to be to make this place look nice, you know? So yeah, I'll just show you this thing actually working now, because we can just freely move it around to look at whatever we want to do. Or even if I was making an engine building video or something, I could just lift it up, have it facing straight down, as to what I'm doing. It's perfect. How about that? How about that? Perfect. You can just literally see me. I can do my thing. I can talk to you. Well, might have to make that wall a bit more appealing behind me, but who cares? Perfect, isn't it? And all I have to do is just turn you around that way. You can see the old JBS logo. You know what I mean? It's like you can. I've got the perfect camera situation now. Maybe just get a little demonstration of what it would look like looking down as if there was an engine here as well, you know what I mean? I think this is a pretty good idea. Alright, I've got to jump down because I'm literally standing up here right now to set it up. But say I had an engine here, well, let's just get something up here quick, you know what I mean? So an engine, I could just, and you could all just watch what I'm doing as I'm doing it. Do you know what I mean? It's like perfect, and this is just an example as well. Of course, each individual video would be different because this is flexible, but I think this is just a good little setup, you know? Just to be able to record what I'm doing and just chill and work. Just can't wait to have the little workshop on here and actually have an engine or something to work on. So it's a little thing. And no, I'm never going to take apart that Sinus engine unless it needs it, because that Sinus is just, it's not for me, it's for Lauren. I can't really fuck around with that, can I? And it's pretty easy to get the camera out because I can just slide the camera like that and it's out, and I can just hold it handheld again and just keep talking. Do you know what I mean? In one seamless clip rather than having to take it down, edit it, spend 20 minutes. You know what I mean? And as soon as it's in that position there, you see what it's like, I can literally just slip it straight back in and carry on. So even if I'm working on an engine, I can literally just get this perspective of me doing everything, be like, oh, okay guys, yeah, I just need to get this bit, blah, 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 fuck around with this, break more shit because I'm stupid. Then I can just put you straight back up and carry on. Amazing, isn't it? Yeah. Fuck that. Oh yeah, I did that, like, since you last see it. So yeah, I'm gonna call it the end for this video now. Fucking hope you guys enjoyed this episode of JBS Garage. And I'll fucking see you in the next one.